How to see and cancel sent friend requests on Facebook. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, in order to see your friend request that you have sent, tap on the menu option on the bottom right of your screen and you will see the option for friends there in the menu. Tap on that and now you will see the friend request tab. So tap on the see all option right beside the friend request tab and you will be able to see everyone that has sent you friend request. However, if you want to see sent friend requests on your Facebook profile, then tap on the three dots on the top right of your screen there and then tap on the view sent requests option. Here, in this particular interface, you will be able to view all the people that you have sent friend requests to until now. So, simply, if you want to cancel the sent friend request, then tap on the cancel friend request option you see there, right beside the people from where you want to cancel the friend request, and with this, the request will be canceled. So, this was about how you can see and cancel sent friend requests on Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.